If you are new with the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. As an AI language model, I don't have a physical form, so it wouldn't be accurate to describe me as a wizard. However, here are 10 interesting facts about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a natural language processing AI model developed by OpenAI. It was released in 2020 and is part of the GPT family of language models. ChatGPT is one of the largest language models currently available, with 175 billion parameters. It can understand and generate human-like text in a wide range of topics, including news articles, literature, and even poetry. It has been trained on a massive corpus of text data, including the entire Common Crawl dataset, which comprises over 45 terabytes of web pages. ChatGPT has the ability to answer a wide variety of questions and engage in natural language conversations with users. The model has been designed to continuously learn and improve over time as it processes more data. ChatGPT has been used for a variety of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation tools. The model has demonstrated impressive performance on various language tasks, including question answering and text completion. Despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT is not perfect and can sometimes produce biased or inaccurate responses. Highlighting the need for ongoing development and improvement of AI language models.